Hello kids, let's learn new shapes and colors. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Let's start the video. This is black color. This shape is rounded square. Cylinder. Oval. Heart. Right angle triangle. Four-pointed star. Let's color the shapes. This is purple color. Rounded square. Pink color. This is cylinder. It is 3D shape. Olive green. This shape is oval. It has no sides. Red color. This shape is heart. Violet color. This shape is right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree. Yellow color. This is four-pointed star. Rounded square, cylinder, oval, heart, right angle triangle, four-pointed star. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.